Hi everyone. This week we're diving into Microsoft Excel, one of the most powerful tools for organizing, calculating, and analyzing data. And so whether you're tracking expenses, summarizing grades, or maybe managing business information, Excel helps turn raw numbers into meaningful insights. So we're going to start by learning how to create, save, and navigate an Excel workbook. And you'll become familiar with the Excel window, which contains rows, columns, and cells, and learn how to enter and edit data efficiently. We'll also look at cell references, ranges, and the difference between displayed value in a cell and the underlying value that's shown in what's called the formula bar. Next, we'll focus on how to enter and format data correctly. So you'll learn how to type text, numbers, and formulas. Also use autofill to quickly generate patterns and apply number formats so your data looks professional. Then we're going to move on to creating formulas and functions, including Excel's most popular function, which is the sum function. And we'll also see how formulas calculate automatically and how relative and absolute cell references affect your results when copying formulas. We're also going to practice formatting your worksheet. So this includes merging and centering titles, applying cell styles, and using themes and number formats like accounting and comma style to make your data clear and consistent. And so once your data is organized, you'll learn how to visualize it using charts and spark lines. And then we are also going to see how charts can transform your numbers into visuals, while spark lines show quick trends within cells, which are perfect for spotting patterns at a glance. You'll then discover how to print and display formulas, also adjust margins and scaling, and create headers and footers to give your printouts a polished, professional look. We'll even cover Excel's built-in spell checker so that your text entries are error-free. And finally, you'll practice constructing formulas, editing values, and formatting worksheets to improve readability. So this includes using tools like wrap text and middle align. And so by the end of this week, you'll understand how Excel recalculates results automatically whenever your data changes. And it's one of its most powerful features. And Excel is all about efficiency, accuracy, and clarity. And again, these are all skills that you'll use in any career field.